Hello friends, my name is Wbbse. I was teaching you chapter quadratic equations with one variable from the book Ganit Prakash of class 10 West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. In my previous video, I was solving let us work out 1.3 and I have completed up to question number 8. Today we are going to start from question number 9 of the same chapter. Let us read what question number 9 says. It says if the price of 1 dozen pen is reduced by 6, then 3 more pens will be got for rupees 30. Before the reduction of price, let us calculate the price of 1 dozen pen. Okay. The price of 1 dozen pen is reduced by rupees 6. Okay. That is why we are getting 3 more pens for rupees 30. Before the reduction of price, we have to calculate the price of 1 dozen pen. Let the price of 12 pens be X. Therefore, the price of 1 pen is X by 12. Therefore, the number of pens we get for rupees 30 equal to 30 by cost of 1 pen. Okay, we get $30 by X by 12 number of pens for rupees 30. Now after reduction of price cost of 12 pence is x minus 6. Okay, because in the question it is given that the price of 1 dozen pen is reduced by rupees 6. So before reduction the price was to x, and after reduction the price is x minus 6. Therefore cost of 1 pen is x minus 6 by 12. Therefore the number of pens we get for rupees 30 equal to 30 by price of each pen. Okay, so before price reduction this was the number of pens, and after price reduction this is the number of pen, and the difference between these two numbers is 3. So okay, so when the price reduced, we are getting some extra pens, or we are taking 30 into 12 common. We are taking 360 to the right side. If we cross multiply, we get x square minus 6x equal to 720. Now if we take 720 to the left side, Now we are going to break the middle term. So for that we are going to find the prime factorization of 720. So these are the factors. Now we are going to arrange them into groups, so that by adding or subtracting them we get 6. Okay, we get 6. So we have to arrange these factors. Let us take 5 into 3 into 2 to the first group. 5, 3 and 2. So and taking the remaining factors to the left, to the right group, we are taking the remaining factors to the second group, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24. So this gives us 30 and this gives us 24. Now if we subtract them we are getting 6. Okay, so now we know how to break the middle term. Okay, so if we break the middle term, let me do it here. X square minus 30x plus 24x minus 720 equal to 0. Or taking x minus 30 common, we are left with x plus 24 equal to 0. Therefore either x minus 30 equal to 0, so x equal to 30, or x plus 24 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 24. So the value of x should be 30. Now let us proceed to our next question, that is question number 10. Very short answer type question. So let us first solve section A, MCQ questions. First question is, the number of roots of a quadratic equation is 1, 2, 3 or none of them. So the right answer is option B. The number of roots of a quadratic equation should be 2. So question number 10 A Roman 1 option B should be our answer. Question number Roman 2 says if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then b not equal to 0, c not equal to 0, a not equal to 0, none of this. Okay, if ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the coefficient of x square cannot be 0, that is a cannot be 0. So option C is our correct answer. Roman 2 option C. Question number Roman 3, which says the highest power of the variable in a quadratic equation is 1, 2, 3 or none of these. The highest power should be 2, that is option B. Question number 4, the equation 4 into 5x square minus 7x plus 2 equal to 5 into 4x square 6x plus 3 is a linear, quadratic or third degree or none of this. Let us or so we can cancel 20x square from both these sides. Now if we take 30x to the left side, okay, it becomes positive, so plus 30x minus 28x, so it is 2x. And if I take 15 to the left side, it becomes minus 15, so plus 8 minus 15, it is minus 7 equal to 0. So this is not a quadratic equation, this is a linear equation. So answer A is our correct answer. Roman 5, the root slash 2 roots of the equation x square by x equal to 6 is okay. So the values of x are 0 and 6. So option C is our correct answer. Now let us do part B. Part B says true or false. x minus 3 whole square equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 is a quadratic equation. And Roman 2 says 5 is the only root of the equation. Okay, identify the following statement. Okay, so first statement. Okay, the first statement is not a quadratic equation, it is an identity. So this should be false. B1 should be false. And B2, 5 is the only root of the equation x square equal to 25. No, this is also false. Okay, because x square equal to 25 will give us two roots, plus 5 and minus 5. Now let us proceed to section C. Fill in the blank. If a equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, in the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the equation is, if a becomes 0, it becomes a linear equation. Then the equation is a linear equation. Roman 2. If the two roots of a quadratic equation be 1, then the equation is should be this, x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Okay, write it like this. Therefore, either x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, or x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. So this should be the quadratic equation. Number 3. The two roots of the equation x square minus 6x are, we have just done it in question number 5. Okay, this is the given equation for this question, for the current question, and if we solve it, we get two roots, 0 and 6. Okay, so these two questions are same, so the answer should be part C, Roman 3. The answer should be 0 and 6. Now let us proceed to question number 11. Roman 1. Let us find the value of a if one root of the equation x square plus ax plus 3 equal to 0 is 1. Okay. So if one root is 1, okay, we know a quadratic equation has two roots. So one of them is 1. So if we put 1 in place of x, then it will satisfy the given equation. Therefore, putting x equal to 1 in the given equation, we get therefore the value of a is -3. Now let us proceed to Roman 2. Let us write the value of the other root if one root of the equation is x square minus 2 plus bx plus 6 equal to 0 is 2. Okay. So one root is given, that is 2, and we have to find the other root of the equation. Now if 2 is one of the roots, then we can just put 2 in place of x, and this will satisfy the equation. Therefore, if we put 2 in place of x, therefore the equation becomes now if we middle term factorize the left side of the equation, therefore either x equal to 3 or x equal to 2. Therefore the other root of the equation should be 3. Now let us proceed to the next question, that is Roman 3 of 11. It says, let us write the value of the other root if one root of the equation 2x square plus kx plus 4 equal to 0 is 2. If one root of the given equation is 2, then we can put 2 in place of x, and that will satisfy the equation. So k is 6. Now if we write the equation, k is minus 6, so minus 6 x plus 4 equal to 0. If we divide both sides of the equation by 2, we get therefore x is either 2 or 1. So the other root of the equation should be 1. It says, let us write the equation if the difference of a proper fraction and its reciprocal is 9 by 20. Let the proper fraction be 1 by x. Therefore reciprocal is equal to x. Reciprocal of 1 by x is x, so difference between them is nine by 20. This is our question. So if we solve it, if we cross multiply this both sides of the equation, then we get 20 minus 20x square equal to 9x. If we take these quantities to the right side, so this is our quadratic equation. We can break the middle term as So this is our equation and this is our solution. Okay, the value of x is 4 by 5, so its reciprocal is 5 by 4. So this is the solution. Okay, these are the fractions and this is our equation. Let us write the value of a and b if the two roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus 35 equal to 0 are minus 5 and minus 7. Okay, two roots of this equation are given. Okay, two roots are given which are minus 5 and minus 7. So if we put these values in place of x, okay, that will satisfy the equation. So if we put minus 5 in place of x, if we divide both sides of the equation by 5, now if we put minus 7 in place of x, if we divide both sides of the equation by 7, we get now if we subtract equation 1 from this equation, okay, we get subtracting 1 from 2, we get 7a minus 5a, that is 2a, minus b plus b, that is 0, minus 5 plus 7, that is 2. So the value of a is 1. Now putting the value of a in equation 2, we get so b is 12. So these are the two values of A and B. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and please like, subscribe to my channel. I shall come with another video and discuss the rest of the chapter. Thank you.